Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we'll start our new concept, conservation of plants in biology NEET course. So you can check all our NEET courses concepts, frequently asked questions and multiple choice questions. So what is our first question? Here is, so first multiple choice question, what are the effects of deforestation? What are the effects of deforestation? So what is meant by deforestation? So deforestation means cutting of trees from the forest. Simple words, cutting or eradicate the trees from the forest. So what are the effects? Acid rain, greenhouse effect, increases content in the atmosphere, decreases content in the atmosphere. So if it is the deforestation will happen, so we will get the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect means increasing temperature of earth surfaces. So and decreasing rains. So for that it is greenhouse effect. Next, the part of the earth in which living organisms exist is called lithosphere, globe, hydrosphere and biosphere. So where the living organisms, so living means bio, organisms means human beings, what are the who are living, so that is called biosphere. So lithosphere means it is related to mud, global means completely, globe means complete, and hydrosphere it is related to water, and biosphere means it's related to living organisms. So that is called biosphere. Next one, process of clearing forests to use land for other purposes are called reforestation, deforestation, afforestation and desertification. So third one, it is deforestation. Cutting off trees or clearing forest is called deforestation. Then fourth question, a variety of organisms found in a particular area of height is called biodiversity, habitat, biosphere and conservation. So we know that is biosphere, it is related to living organisms, the part of earth in which living organisms exist. But here variety of organisms means different. So diversification is there, means different organisms will be existed in the same particular area. So for that it is biodiversity. So variety of organisms. Next, fifth one, the following are the natural causes for deforestation. So, which one will causes for deforestation? Forest fires, severe droughts, A and B, and all the above. So, fifth one, all the above. So, severe droughts will get, and forest fires also sometimes. Identify the incorrect statement about consequences of deforestation. So first one, soil erosion will increases, frequent flooding of rivers, increased rainfall, extinction species. So incorrect statement about consequences of deforestation. So what are the consequences? What will be giving the results of deforestation? Soil erosion will increase and frequent flooding of rivers, increased rainfall, extinction species. So sixth one, we know increased rainfall. So rainfall will be decreases, but they are given increased rainfall. Then these are all the consequences. Global warming is caused due to increased level in atmosphere, increased CO2 level in atmosphere, increased and levels in atmosphere, all of this. So we know that is seventh one is increased carbon dioxide, CO2 level in atmosphere. So it causes global greenhouse effect. Then Forest Conservation Act established in 1972, 1980, 1982 and 1990. So eighth one we know that is 1980. So these are the things. Then come to the next one. Ninth one is Environment Product Act is established in 1982, 1986, 1990 and 1992. So we know that is 1986. Environment Product Act. Then in which year Chipko action took place? April 1973, September 1973, April 1974 and September 1974. So we know that is 10th one, April 1973. Next one. A biosphere reserve is meant for conservation of wildlife, conservation of biodiversity, conservation of traditional lifestyle of tribal, all of this biosphere reserve in mean for. So we know that is all of this. Conservation of wildlife, exactly. So conservation means securing or minimizing the loss or keeping secure manner. So conservation, take caring of that biodiversity, all of this. A biosphere reserve divided into three zones. The order of zones inside to outside as follows. 12th one, transition zone, middle zone and core zone, buffer zone, transition zone and core zone, buffer zone and transition zone, core zone, transition zone and buffer zone. So 12th one we know that is C, core zone, buffer zone, transition zone. Next one, 13th one, in which of the biosphere reserve human activity is not allowed? Core zone, buffer zone, transition zone and all of this. So in which of the biosphere reserve human activity is not allowed? We know that is human activities will not allowed in the place of core zone. Yes. Next one, 14th one. Several non-destructive activities are observed in which zone of the biosphere reserve? So 14th one is core zone and for buffer zone, transition zone and middle zone. So 14th one we know that is C, transition zone. Non-destructive activities are observed in zone, transition zone. Strict protection of wildlife is observed in which zone of the biosphere reserve? Core zone, buffer zone, transition zone and middle zone. So we know that is 15th one, core zone. Strict protection of wildlife observed in core zone. Next, 16th one, match the following: core zone, buffer zone, transition zone. Right side, non-destructive activities, strict protection of wildlife and little human activity. So 16th one we know that is A2, core zone is strict protection of wildlife, B is buffer zone is little human activity and transition zone is non-destructive activity. Option B, A2, B3, C1. Next one. So what is this? 17th one is location of Kaziranga Biosphere Reserve is West Bengal, Assam, Madhya Pradesh and Andaman. So 17th one we know that is Assam. So Kaziranga means we have to remember Assam state. Which biosphere reserve is located in Madhya Pradesh? Kaziranga, it is related to Assam. Sundarbans, Kanha and Great Nicobar. Great Nicobar will be related to Andaman Nicobar. And so biosphere reserve located in Madhya Pradesh is Kanha. So Kaziranga Biosphere, Sundarbans Biosphere, Great Nicobar Biosphere, Kanha Biosphere. So 19th one, right side West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar, Assam. So 19th one is A is a 4. What is that? Kaziranga is Assam and Sundarbans West Bengal. Sorry, Sundarbans I told that west to West India, not West Bengal is East India side. And Great Nicobar Biosphere is Andaman Nicobar and Kanha's Biosphere is Madhya Pradesh. Option A. Last one, 28th one, statement A. Biosphere reserves mean for conservation of wildlife. Exactly. Biosphere reserves mean for conservation of biodiversity. Both A and B are true. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.